Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to make some barberry sauce. You can make it, you can say, call it. It's the barberry that we call it in Farsi Zereshk, and we put it on top of the rice, white rice usually. With the chicken we serve it, but you can make it and add it to your quinoa, to any other dish that you would like. So we soak it in the water, and then we put it in the strainer, and we wash, like we pour some water, rinse it with the water, and to make sure all the sands are getting detached from it. This is a very good and healthy food, full of antioxidants, and it's good to have it at least once or twice a week. If you like it sour taste, and because it's a sour in nature, you can have it without the maple syrup or without sugar. If you like to have it more sweet and sour, you can add some maple syrup or sugar, and then I added some butter and then some saffron, ground saffron, to that. Also, I added some water to that to make it a little bit more juicy, and then put it on the stove and boil it, and you see how it has turned out. I hope you like it. I hope you make it and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy and always be healthy. See you in the next video.